Hi, Gareth and Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the Nugget Falls Trail near Mendenhall Glacier in Juneau, Alaska. So we're going to walk out to Nugget Falls here. I think you can get fairly close to them, and it's a raging torrent of snow melt or glacier melt or whatever you want to call it. Mendenhall Glacier, you know, it's pretty far receded now, so it's tall up the mountain. It's coming down a mountain valley,
but it's turning into like a peak coming into the lake.
Yeah,
as opposed to being a sheet.
There's not much left in the bay. This is a hard-packed trail. It's not paved, so to speak, but whatever they've done, it's hard. So from the visitor center, this trail is about a mile. It says we can go there and back in 45 minutes. So I don't know if that's true, but we're going to see. There's a little trail going off that way. There are trails all through this forest. You know, it's national forest.
And it says bears frequent the trails.
Yeah, the bears like to use the trail too. So, and I left my bear spray in the cabin. I guess I wasn't thinking. Didn't know I'd be going here, I guess.
Lucky it's like porcupine, huh? That would be awesome.
Yeah, we talked to some people who said they saw a porcupine a few minutes ago, but it's before we got here. So, but who knows? Who knows? What is that noise?
Waterfall?
Or was it ice breaking off of the glacier? Calving. Mile 0.4. So I guess officially this is almost halfway. Maybe that's it? Or a plane. A little creek we're crossing. And crossing us. See the waterfall up there? That is not Nugget Falls. Nugget Falls is a little bit bigger. You're going to see. GoPro.
Oh, I'm going to do big ones.
Those nice feet a week.
So the trail's a little more gravelly right here, not quite as hard packed. And I'm gonna guess you might slip there in the bare spots. Janet went through it, so maybe not. And this is a swamp over on this side. Can you see the water in there? Brackish water, perhaps?
Yeah, it's running.
Well, I guess it's kind of running. Little creek. Sure what that person was doing. Trying to touch a branch, apparently. This branch right here, for some reason. Hey, get ready. Everybody, in the Navy, you can sail the 7 seas. They can turn around. They're all wearing Navy shirts. Maybe they don't like that song. Maybe they can't. Oh, I think I see Nugget Falls. See it through the trees there?
Ooh! Yo! Tell them to come.
I don't know if we can walk along the beach and get over there, or we have to go back to the trail. Of course, the glacier is almost hidden. These people took a boat here. Let's go down and look at some of these icebergs, though. See, there's another one. More on the shore there, or near the shore. Whoop, rocks. So we're gonna head back to this trail. I think it's a trail. And maybe it's not a trail. Try to get closer. Try to get over there onto that spit of sand. And this is a real trail. Oh, I think it's going to link up to that one. Janet pointed out that it's right there. Here's the trail, right here. Whoops. Oh, so there's a viewpoint up there. Like I say, somebody took a boat here. Glacier color. Switched to my extra long pole. It's about 9 feet. But you won't be able to hear me. come here.